Hey guys, this is Ishmael. Today I was going to do a quick review on the Samsung Galaxy A50 device. Then I had a friend visit me who happens to be a YouTuber as well. She goes by the name Lori or Loretta, so I decided I was going to make her take care of today's video. So without much ado, Loretta, let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Loretta Lawson, a Ghanaian travel and lifestyle YouTuber. My channel name is Lori Lawson, so do check me out. Today, we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A50. Pardon me guys, I'm not a tech person, so should I make any mistakes? I'm sorry. Thank you and stay tuned. So guys, let's see what's being contained in the box here. So I'm taking the cover off and there is a phone and that off. Okay, so I see a white cover here and I'm taking it out. Okay, so it's a white box. Let's see what's in there. And oh, see, we have a case, a phone case. We have a quick start guide. Yeah, I think this is in a different language. And the warranty card also. So we have these three things and that's of the case in the white box. So let's move on to this as well. So I see the phone, but let's get back to the phone later. Okay, so there is the USB cable, the headset, and the head adapter. Sorry, adapter, and the pin. Can you see, guys? Okay, so there we go. Let's put all these aside and then get into the phone itself. So guys, here is the phone. It comes in 4 different colors. We have the white, black, blue, and coral, and this is the blue color. So looking sleek, right? So now let's look at the external features of it as well. This phone has premium glossy finish with 3D curved edges. It has a slim body which makes it comfortable to grip. This phone is made of plastic but doesn't look cheap at all. It weighs about 166 grams. There is a single camera at the top middle of the screen. The top of the phone has a single microphone. To the right, there is the power button and the volume keys. To the left side has the SIM slot which uses dual nano SIMs. To the base, there is the headset jack, a Type-C USB port, a mic, and a single speaker. So at the back of the phone, we have the 3 cameras and a flashlight. Let's get into the display of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy A50 uses a Super AMOLED Infinity U display technology, which has about 16 million colors that gives it a crisp display at all times. It is ideal for gaming, watching videos, browsing, multitasking, and many more. The screen size is 6.4 inches with about 85% screen to body ratio. Its resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels. There is one unique feature about the screen and I find very cool. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 which prevents it from scratches and quick damages. With its One UI, it makes it easier to find content you want and focus on it more conveniently, and also easier to use the phone with one hand. Its night mode makes it comfortable for the eyes when using the phone at night time. Now to the OS, processor, memory, and storage. The A50 runs on Android Pie with an Exynos 9610 octa-core processor with a speed of 2.3 GHz, which runs apps seamlessly well. It has a 4 GB RAM with an internal storage of 128 GB. You have the capability of upgrading the storage to 512 GB by using an SD card. Talking about power, the battery life of this phone is a cool 4000 mAh, which will take you up to 12 hours when browsing continuously with a 3G service and for about 10 hours with a 4G service. It can stay up to about 19 hours when watching videos and for 92 hours when playing audios. It has a fast charging support, so it doesn't take much time to fully charge. Now to my favorite part. We are going to talk about the camera. Let's begin with the front camera. The front camera has 25 megapixels with an aperture of 2.0. Its lens is 24mm, which allows you to take wide shots. To the back, we have triple cameras which performs different functions. The first one at the top is 5 megapixels with an aperture of 2.2, which has a depth sensor that gives you lots of depth when taking portrait photos. It makes your subject stand out in photos. The main camera, which is in the middle of 25 megapixels with an aperture of 1.7, that is capable of taking clear and bright wide shots. And finally to the last camera, which is 8 megapixels with a 2.2 aperture, that gives you an ultra wide shot and captures scenes at 123 degrees angle. The Galaxy A50 has about 20 scene optimizer as part of its cameras, which automatically analyzes the scenes you are capturing and optimize the color tones and other settings to give you a great result with its AI solution. I love shooting videos with my phone, so I find it very cool that this phone shoots videos at 1080p, which is full HD at 30 frames per second with both front and back cameras. When it comes to sound, I love listening to music, so I can't wait to test the sound out. You can't go wrong with the sound of this phone. Even though the speaker is one and at the base, you still get great sound with it. With its Dolby Atmos feature, just like the A30, it gives you an immersive 3D surround sound experience when you have headphone plugged in. It has an active noise cancellation with its dedicated mics at both base and the top of the phone. The security of this phone is achieved with either the on-screen fingerprint sensor or its facial recognition capabilities. The downside with the fingerprint sensor is that it's not that fast and the facial recognition doesn't perform well in low light situations. There are a few other things I would like to make mention of about this phone. It runs Bluetooth 5.0, which makes it faster when transferring files. It has NFC as well as FM radio. It is a 4G enabled device, which makes it faster when browsing. I'm not a fan of gaming, but I honestly think this device performs better with games. I love watching videos, and I must say this device gives a great immersive graphics display. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope I did well. Please let me know in the comment section if I did well. I'm open to critics. And thanks to Ishmael for allowing me to take you guys through today's review on the Samsung Galaxy A50. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to Ishmael's channel. Not forgetting mine as well. Subscribe to my channel at Lori Lawson. And see you guys some other time. Bye.
So this brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed Loretta's review on the Samsung Galaxy A50 device. I want to know your thoughts about her performance in the comment section below. And then don't forget to subscribe to her channel as well as my channel. So before I go, I want to say a very big thanks to Chris of Gadget Steals GH for making it possible for us to review the Samsung Galaxy A50. In case you want any Samsung device, kindly try your possible best to reach out to them using the details on the screen, and make sure to tell them I actually recommended him. So that's just about it for this video. Once again, my name is Ishmael Lamte. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.